why we start our journey in Singapore. So we came to Singapore, of course, to celebrate Christmas, because this is one of the best places in Asia to celebrate Christmas so far, and that was one of our biggest dreams.
Basically, as a mixed married couple, when we are married in Indonesia, you know, we have to marry in the one religion. As you know that we are coming from a different background, we never get any, you know, like Christmas vibes when we are in Bali, even though that we, you know, went to the hotels, we went to the restaurant in Bali, but we never get that such a great Christmas vibe. That's why we come to Singapore, because Singapore is famous of the Christmas vibe in the Southeast Asian country. So one of our marriage values and belief that we respect each other. So whenever Damian, you know, celebrating Christmas, we celebrate Christmas together. But whenever I celebrate we also celebrate together. But this occasion, we moved out from Bali. We just decided just go to Singapore to celebrate Christmas.
One of the best places in Singapore itself to celebrate Christmas and enjoy all the magical time of decorations and the music and everything is Orchard Road, which is exactly here at the front of the Ion Orchard Mall, and there is Tank Plaza.
This road is called Orchard Road just because of this orchard fruit. Orchard Road, every shopper's paradise, from luxury retail to world-class international cuisine. Singapore's most famous shopping center is a home to wealth of experiences. Orchard Road's humble beginnings date back to the early 1830s, when it was a named road home to fruit orchards, nutmeg plantation and pepper farm. In 1958, Orchard Road's first department store, Tang's, was set up by local merchant C.K. Tang, then known as House of Tang. It marked the neighborhood's first step towards becoming Singapore's most beloved shopping district. Orchard Road's bustling boulevard is now a retail and a dining paradise with over 5,000 establishments offering the ultimate lifestyle experience to tourists and locals alike.
And guys, maybe you know already, drones in Singapore are not allowed. But for me, no drone, no problem. Because of this one, my newest toy. Woo! Okay guys, previously we showed you the street of Orchard Road during the daytime, and now it was raining recently, so it's a little bit quieter than yesterday. We actually came here having a little bit of look as well, but it's already getting better and better. We're gonna show you how it looks, the life on Orchard Road just 4 days before Christmas, because there's so many beautiful lights, decorations, and more people coming in. Even it was raining recently, just finished literally 1 minute ago. Sayang!
Wow! I don't know that at night this Orchard Road is so amazingly beautiful. Look at those lights. Wow, this is just like an island girl dreams come true. I never been to Singapore when Christmas time. You should come here, guys. At least at Christmas time, and you see and you feel like Christmas vibes are everywhere. When a week of Christmas, you see that the decor of the Christmas vibe, you can feel it everywhere. The Christmas light, the Christmas tree, and also the Christmas music from the big speaker like this. Wow, even in Singapore, there is no snow here, but the Christmas vibe, you can still feel it.
So let's have a walk starting from Ion Orchard Mall. This rest of the video will be like I'm gonna show you as much as possible, walking probably up to Somerset 313. Well, because last time actually I make similar video, starting actually on the other side of the road from the Tank Plaza, week before Formula 1 race. Maybe some of you remember, but now it's Christmas time. We always wanted to come here during the Christmas because of this beautiful decorations, vibe and everything. It's a little bit piteous, was raining previously, but it's still very enjoyable to be here. Also, my friend sent me the picture, videos here when he was last Saturday, it was actually extremely busy. But even it's rainy, it still looks actually very busy indeed. But also one thing about the rain, whenever it's rain at night, it's little bit better clarity for the video. So actually image is little bit more sharper when it's like without the rain. I just realized that, at least my camera working like that. But as you can see, actually finished rain literally 5 minutes ago, maybe even less, and more people actually coming in everywhere. And as Winnie mentioned, music is everywhere. The Christmas music is coming from the speakers what are attached on the street lights, and the street lights actually also changed a little bit because so much decoration, so you cannot even really see just the lamps. And well, this is Orchard Road, so everywhere there are malls with so many shops, as you can see, obviously. And well, a lot is going on. This is actually very nice, very colorful Christmas tree, probably owned by some of the shops here, like a part of endorsement, I believe, but also attraction for everyone, for the kids and adults making pictures, people coming with the families making family pictures here from all around the world. There is the uncle selling the ice creams. Actually, I think this is the auntie with her motorbike and the stars. You can buy the very legendary ice cream in Singapore. Maybe we're gonna buy later on with the bread like this guy have it, or in the waffle. And also there will be some performance of the street performance. Well, he's just coming in, so he will starting very soon. I don't know, he's gonna do something with the skateboard.
Wait. Bule can do street performance in
It's
Singapore?
not Bule anymore. This is not Bali, not Indonesia. Bule only in Indonesia, just the foreigner.
Honey, in Bali he will be deported, for doing such a thing.
But I believe he got permission for that anyway.
He got license.
I think so. That's the beautiful flowers, and that's how they look, the street. In case if you drive a car, you have a view like this one. Super cool everywhere around. And on the other side of the street is Lucky Plaza. And of course more decoration everywhere. Uncle selling the ice cream again. Honey, you wanna have an ice cream from the uncle?
Can I have one?
Okay, sure, take it, Sayang. Alright, so we have opportunity to show you the uncles and his bike and style with the ice creams. Loud music everywhere, Christmas music. That's how he's preparing the ice creams. This is very unique Singaporean thing actually, the ice cream from the style like this one, from the uncle. In case if you don't know, you can call uncle and auntie. They're not gonna get offended, they're even gonna smile. They like it like this. This is part of the Singaporean culture. Take a ice cream with bread lah. Not with the waffle, but with the bread.
What you want? You wanna with the bread or waffle?
With the bread.
I wanna with the waffle.
Okay, and I wanna have a flavor of just the chocolate. Oh, you have a durian one if you want that. Also, this ice cream costs you only $1.50. So it's very, very nice, and that's how the uncle is doing it. He's working actually very fast, I can see. Sayang, what flavor are you gonna take it, baby?
I wanna have the chocolate as well, but waffle.
Okay, I wanna have it with bread and you waffle, yeah? Alright, and our ice cream look like this one, $1.50. You pay $1.50, right? $1.50 I have with the bread like this one, and you have in the waffle, so enjoying now. On the other side of the street is Paragon, and you can feel it, the Pullman Hotel over there and decorations. And now is the fountain and Christmas village. We are going here. Saying wanna have a look what is on Christmas village here. For the beginning we can see some containers with the food, obviously. Supposed to be more food, I believe. Maybe on the weekends or on the Christmas day or something there is some live performance. Sayang, you want me to play this one so I can win for you the toy? No? Or you wanna try carousel? No? Okay, let's have a walk and look what is here around. The carousel for kids.
Oh,
There is like a games actually with the battles. So obviously this is not my and our first time in Singapore. I was in this year already. This is my 4th time in this year. And whenever I'm coming to Singapore, I'm always shooting this street, usually walking from there where we started up to Somerset 313. And it's always something different. Last time was Formula 1, now it's Christmas. I should visit also during the Chinese New Year. And hold on, it's something is going on at the front. So we stop for a while because it's gonna be some performance here, street performance again. Gonna show you a little bit around what they are doing. They preparing probably some magic trick or something. Some people even making the full videos of the full performance here. Lights over the street are going up till the end. You cannot see actually the end. Paragon at the front, and the Pullman Hotel is actually here in case if you're interested. Apple Store, so
And
much
look at this one, the
lights.
Gucci.
Oh, Gucci and the Hilton. This was actually Mandarin Oriental Hotel long time ago. Used to stay when it was Mandarin. And this is the one of the shot of the big junctions here on Orchard Road. So many lights actually. You can see endless lights of Christmas lights. Gucci shop at the front, and this is like a, you know, one of the main junctions. So much is going on and more people coming in right now. And a little bit more of the traffic situation. So many taxi drivers, so many cars, and so much Christmas lights. So cool and so nice. Here we go, a nice Mustang over here today. As I said, so much music, so much voices, noises. This guy is playing now here, and this is the tower of the Hilton. Like I mentioned previously, that was Mandarin Oriental Hotel, one of the oldest hotels here, 5-star hotels on Orchard Road. Actually, very interesting fact. But very first video on my YouTube channel is actually from trip to Singapore and from this hotel. The quality of the video is less than now. That was long time ago, but you could have a look if you are interested. And well, as I said, the music is coming from every speaker, which is so many around. More people coming in right now, and this is also orchids flower actually, as you can see. Very nice.
No, this is lotus, baby.
Lotus or orchids? Now, let's see. Lotus or orchid?
Lotus.
Hard to say. Lotus or orchid, but very nice. Merry Christmas. Also interesting facts is these decorations on Orchard Roads are already, I think, around 1 month before Christmas. So from the end of November, you can already enjoy it. You don't need to come very close to the Christmas. You can come already end of November and you can enjoy this one. Of course, if you come in November, the prices of accommodation and everything, they are still cheaper than currently right now. Well, celebrating Christmas in Singapore is something special and something different. More and more you go, will be more and more shops and the malls. So here is also huge Victoria's Secret, obviously, and we are heading right here, right now, which is Somerset 313, one of our favorite malls here. For some reason, we have many memories together. And also here already decorations are a little bit different colors. I don't know if you can see actually everywhere Christmas in Singapore. Almost like in New York City, just with the difference as there is no snow. So much people, so much lights, so much music, so much performances. Just no snow, obviously. But it's beautiful, especially in Asia. So cool to be here today and enjoy. Somerset 313 is over there already. Right now we're gonna wait only for the green light. While waiting for the green light, I make a zoom actually, and you can see the colors are already different, right? And well, so many people waiting for the going to 313. crossing the streets, always nice in the big cities, little bit different atmosphere, especially in the cities where green is green, red is rain, red light, green light. Like in the Squid Game, sayang. Enjoying the big city so far?
Yeah, many people, thinking that maybe I will be bored with the big cities, compare with the island life, which is very laid back. I just enjoy it, like seeing something different from where I used to live in Bali. Nice.
And here we go, we arrived to 313 Somerset, one of our favorite malls in Singapore, maybe because there are some bars here and like easygoing, laid-back atmosphere, actually, like for the malls, of course. And well, it's centrally located. Also later on we're gonna stay in the hotel, which is actually next to this mall, so that also makes sense. Another bar over here, quite a lot of people, and look at this one, actually super cool entrance to the mall, especially during the Christmas times. That just looks so pretty, sayang, no?
Yes. Thank you, sayang, for taking me for
Sure.
Christmas here. This is just like my big dream come true.
All right, let's have a look. I want to show you more about this one. I really like it, so nice. And then you have a Paris baguette and some other places. Somewhere here is the Swiss restaurant. Oh, here we go. This is the great place for the breakfast for me. Even the cow have decorations for the Christmas. They have a nice German Swiss food. Maybe because I'm coming from Poland, so have the same taste. And meanwhile, this is inside the Somerset 313. Pretty nice mall. Also, this mall is connected with the metro system, Somerset Red Line, so it's very convenient, very easy. And there is not that much walking actually around. And there is the big Christmas tree. All right, guys, just listen to the guy. He's playing on a very interesting instrument. I just also wanted to mention that Singapore is the pretty small country, obviously, 5.5 million of population, but you can find people from all around the world in the one place. Probably on this junction where people crossing the street, you can find people from nearly all around the world, multi-ethnicity. Not mentioned, guys, as everybody here living in the harmony, peacefully into harmony, without fights. The crime is one of the lowest in the world. It's just kind of perfect place to be. I wouldn't mind to live here for a longer while. But yeah, look at this crowd, so busy actually over there. Okay guys, I think that's it for today's video. A little bit longer, but we wanted to show you how looks the Christmas atmosphere, Christmas vibe in Singapore. I hope so you enjoyed. And as always, we will see you tomorrow on night. So see ya, take care guys.